Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. That took forever. That took forever to do just a stupid little intro. Anyway, this video is just an update video. It's just to keep you guys informed about what's going on. Just a couple things here. So let's just start with the very first one. The reason why I have been very preoccupied and such is because actually in November of 2018, is it 2000? Yeah, it's 2018 or today's 2019. In November of 2018, I went back to New York, and then about March, maybe end of February 2019, I came back here. And I'll discuss that a little bit later on in the video. The other thing is that I was trying to progress my life while trying to maintain this Nerf channel. And I guess the best thing I could do at the moment was to post Instagram things for that Nerf channel. And yes, I do have an Instagram for Nerf Gun Reviewer 331. It's the same name on Instagram. Check it out. And what I mean by trying to progress my life is like get a job, get some education, do something productive, pretty much, or go into like more 3D printing, like DLPs and SLA printers, or more of this. And then there was like, oh well, why not just create a video game or something? Because I used to do that in high school. It's like, okay, I need to get my life together, kind of thing. The third thing that got me even more distracted was I actually got another 3D printer. Not like this, not an FDM. This is going to be a, I think it's a DLP 3D printer? A digital lithography printer? I don't know what the right terminology is, but it's kind of like an SLA printer, but with a different way of how they produce the light. The UV light or something. And lastly, also this is quick. Yeah, that's a pretty quick update. Lastly, I guess the whole reason why I haven't made a video again is I've actually from a previous update, I think this was like maybe like 6 years ago, or not 6 years, it was like, it was pretty long time ago. It was like this around the same era. Update, update 3, let's try this. Ah, yes, 3/17/15. 3/17/15 was like it was like a whole bunch of crap that went on during that time, and I had picked up the bad vice of vaping. Now, to make this point very short, I've been withdrawing from vaping for the past week, and this means no nicotine, no vaping. I feel wonders after just 1 week. Even though 1 week was pretty hellish and pretty scary and very aggressive, I still made it through 1 week of no vaping, no nicotine, and I feel great. And I'm planning to keep going with it and not to go back. As far as new ideas for the channel, I've been thinking about making Etsy, or like bringing back my Etsy account, and at some point just creating some sort of card game, like a Magic the Gathering, so to speak, but maybe like a little bit more complex-ish. I had a piece of paper around here, and it had like everything I wanted to show, but I can't find it. Doesn't matter. I'll do that in a different video. But thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here, signing off for today. this is, I just wanted to update the channel and give you guys a heads up about what's going on in my entire simply good life, I guess. So, see you guys later. Oh, and have a good day, night, life, and everything else. See ya.